Well-maintained parking lots in Poughkeepsie can last twice as long, extending from 15 to 30 years with proper maintenance, saving business owners significant costs over time. Avello Asphalt and Construction Corp. offers tailored services for commercial properties, from preventing issues like potholes and cracks to ensuring safety and ADA compliance through professional striping. Neglecting maintenance in Poughkeepsie's harsh climate can lead to costly repairs or replacement within 5 to 7 years. Emphasizing the importance of regular upkeep, issues like potholes and poor drainage can indicate structural problems beneath the surface, highlighting the need for prompt attention to avoid further deterioration.